With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone. So the question is, consider the following two statements. A. The linear momentum of a particle is independent of frame of reference. B. Kinetic energy of particle is independent of frame of reference. So in this question, it is related to frame of reference. And we are discussing about linear momentum, that is m into v, and kinetic energy, that is half m v square. So now whenever we talk about frame of references, basically we have two options. First, inertial frame. Second, non-inertial frame. Okay, so in this question it is asking if linear momentum of a particle is independent of frame of reference and kinetic energy is independent of frame of reference. For inertial frame, we can say they are independent. But when we talk about non-inertial frame, we observe that in non-inertial frame there is a pseudo force acting. Pseudo force. And now this pseudo force will depend upon the non-inertial frame. It can be different for different kinds of non-inertial frame. So now because pseudo force can be different, because of pseudo force acting, we know there will be a change in velocity. There will be a change in velocity. Now because there is a pseudo force acting and the velocity changes, and we know for both kinetic energy and linear momentum there is a term of velocity involved, therefore they will also change, and hence they are not independent of frame of reference. Linear momentum and kinetic energy both depend on frame of reference because of the pseudo force acting. Okay, so option 1, both A and B are true, false. Option 2, A is true but B is false, false. Option 3, A is false but B is true, false. Option 4, both A and B are false. This is the correct option. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.